In this video, we can discuss about the production of chrysopulvin by fermentation process. So as I mentioned before, you have to add 4 points: selection of microorganism, formulation of culture media, production process, and finally recovery of the product. Now coming to the introduction about the chrysopulvin. Chrysopulvin is an antibiotic which is coming under the class of antifungal agents, which are mainly used to treat the different fungal infections, especially skin infections, and which is mainly isolated from Penicillium species, and which will act especially on fungi with chitinous cell wall. So the chemical synthesis of chrysopulvin is frequently used due to the higher cost. The main production of chrysopulvin is by fermentation process, which is done by carried out by aerobic submerged process with the glucose rich in media, and nitrogen is supplied as sodium nitrate. So coming to the steps of fermentation process for the production of chrysopulvin, there are 4 steps. First one is selection of microorganism, formulation of culture media, production process, and recovery and purification. Now coming to the first step, selection of microorganism. Different strains of fungi can be used for the production of chrysopulvin, like Penicillium patulum, Penicillium chrysopulvum, Penicillium nigricans, Penicillium jansvikit, Penicillium urticae, Penicillium albidum, and Cusci oryzae, and Nigrospora mosaic, and Nigrospora spelerica. These are the different strains of fungi which can be used for the production of chrysopulvin. Even though for the large yield production of chrysopulvin, high yield strains of Penicillium patulum is used, and which is prepared as inoculum in Sapec dox corn steep medium, which is used for the production of inoculum, and spore suspension as well as vegetative cell are suitable for the development of inoculum for the laboratory scale fermentation. Now coming to the formulation of second step, that is formulation of the media. The media for the inoculum development, fermentation, and culture conditions are quite similar for all antibiotic producing fungal cells, especially Zapec dox agar medium is used for the maintaining fungal culture. It consists of glucose, sodium nitrate, potassium hydrogen phosphate, and magnesium sulfate in this concentration. Now we have to use different type of medium like sporulation medium, germination medium, seed stage medium, according to the stages of that spore formation and product formation. For sporulation medium, we have to use whey powder lactose, whey powder nitrogen, and potassium hydrogen phosphate, potassium chloride, corn steep liquor solid liquor. Then germination medium with protopeptone, malted cereal extract, glucose, starch, sodium nitrate, sodium hydrogen, dihydrogen, potassium phosphate, magnesium sulfate, and ferrous sulfate. And for the production of seed stage medium, corn steep liquor, brown sugar, chalk, and corn oil are mainly used. The composition that containing for the media which is used for the production of antibiotic, like corn steep liquor, calcium carbonate, and potassium hydrogen phosphate, and potassium chloride, with carbon source of 12% and phosphate of 0.5% and chlorine are most commonly used for the better yield production of griseofulvin. Now coming to the third stage, that is production control. pH of this media should maintain at a pH of 6 to 7.2, and after the inoculation into the fermenter, the medium organism is fermented for 14 days at 24 degrees Celsius. The fermentation is carried out by aerobic submerged process with glucose rich media, and nitrogen is supplied as sodium nitrate at an optimum condition of temperature of 23 to 26 degrees Celsius and pH of 6.8 to 7.3 and aeration of 0.8 to 1 velocity volume, and for a period of 10 to 14 days. This is the production process for the production of griseofulvin. And finally, the recovery and purification of griseofulvin. The broth is heated above 60 degrees Celsius for 20 to 30 minutes for the coagulation of material, which is used to the improvement of the separation of solid from liquids. After that, the wet mycelium is collected from rotary drum discharge filter, and which is extracted 3 times by using butyl acetate or cold acetone, and the color of the extract can be removed by or improved by calcium hydroxide. And then from this extract, the purities or waxy substance are removed by using aliphatic hydrocarbon solvent like hexane and petroleum. And this final esters extract is clarified by centrifugation process, and then this filtrate or extract is concentrated under pressure at a 50 degrees Celsius. The crude component is further purified by washing with chloroform, and then it is recrystallized in aqueous acetone, and final product again it is washed with butyl acetate, acetone or ethanol, and then it is dried and stored. So this is the recovery process of griseofulvin, and this is the flow chart of production of griseofulvin fermenter. By after that, a preliminary treatment is done, that is to improve the filtration rate by increasing the temperature. Then after that, the filtration, and from that we will get a solution, or we can separate the solid from liquid. And this solid which we have to extract, from that extract we will take, and the waste solid material is dried and which can be used as an animal feed. And from the liquid as well as from the solid, the extract is separated by using adsorption of column or by chemical precipitation or by solvent extraction method, and which is then partially purified antibiotic in solution, and then we can recrystallize and we can purify the antibiotics, and we can store as dry materials. Now, what are the uses of griseofulvin or application? It is mainly used in the treatment of various fungal infections, and it is also employed in the treatment of plant diseases caused by different organism, and also used for the treatment of ringworm, athletic foot, jock itch, and fungal infections of scalp and fingernail and toenails. So these are the uses of griseofulvin. Thank you for watching this video.